FLIR's leadership in thermal technology shows again with the ThermoSight Pro Weapon Sight Series. The series offers 3 lens sizes: 19mm, 50mm, and 75mm. This unit is engineered with a ton of features that'll give you that extra edge whether you're in a tactical situation or taking the scope out in a recreational hunt. The ThermoSight Pro was designed to be mounted on weapons equipped with a Picatinny mount or a Weaver rail. Let's turn the system on by pulling and turning the on switch, and then we're ready to make the adjustments. Make sure to adjust the diopter to fit the individual's eyesight, and don't forget to adjust the focus ring to make sure that the target looks sharp in the viewfinder. One of the most impressive qualities of this system is how crisp the image is, which is critical for obtaining detection and classification day and night. That image clarity is possible because of FLIR's new Boson core. And to enhance the operator's ability to see better, each unit has an optical magnification depending on the lens's size. This particular unit has a 75mm lens and has a 6x optical zoom. It's important to note that that zooming will not affect the bore sight of the weapon. There are 7 different viewing palettes, each one suited for different type of application or for user preference. My 2 personal favorites are Black Hot, because warm objects appear black and the scene looks more lifelike, especially at night. My second favorite is Outdoor Alert, that enhances that Black Hot palette by highlighting the hottest 10% of the scene in orange. This makes it even easier to spot those hot objects. The FLIR ThermoSight Pro comes with 6 reticle types. One of them is called Cross Dash and uses FLIR's patent-pending high visibility technology, which makes the reticle clearly visible against all backgrounds and conditions with no need of adjustment. Not only are there 6 reticle types, but they can also be customized with 4 different colors: black, red, white, and cyanide. This leads me to bore sighting. Zeroing thermal sights is very simple. Take aim at the target, fire a 3 or 4 round shot group. Find a point of impact and measure its horizontal and vertical deviation from the center of the target. Work out the values of the bore sight correction required to compensate for that measured deviation from the point of impact to the center of the target, and then add those corrections to the sight. You're all set. To enable situational awareness, the FLIR ThermoSight Pro has a built-in compass and inclinometer. The last feature I want to talk about is onboard recording. If you need to document an operation or record an exercise, the ThermoSight Pro can take 1,000 pictures or 2.5 hours of continuous video recording, which can then be transferred to a computer with a USB-C cable. A shot-activated recording setting automates the video recording, so it's one less thing you got to worry about in the middle of a shooting action. The FLIR ThermoSight Pro.